Good morning, Don Lane. Fraser Valley News, your morning news update for this Tuesday, October the 26th. On the go, another COVID outbreak found at Chilliwack General Hospital, also at a Chilliwack care home, and another one in Langley. We have the Fraser Health information up on FVN right now. Chilliwack Fire investigating two arsons, both of which were at vacant homes left unattended. Chilliwack Fire again saying, look, if you have any of these properties, do something about it. Otherwise, this is going to happen. And it is just an accident or a fire waiting to happen. Harrison, Breakwater Beach now closed for a couple of days. They are redoing the parking lot paving and in that area. Third annual Fraser Valley Off-Road Toy Run and Food Drive is coming up for off-road vehicles. Now, obviously, it's going to be restricted to basically these pods of people with their vehicles. But if you're interested and you got a four-wheel drive, we got the info for you on FVN, FraserValleyNewsNetwork.com. Also, Research Co. has put out an interesting poll. Even up to a year ago, that's why I got the Olympic stuff on, Vancouverites, Metro Vancouver, even in the Valley, the idea of a 2030 Winter Olympics in Vancouver may actually be a good thing. 1 year later, and of course more of this pandemic and the fourth wave, now we're thinking maybe it's not such a great idea. We're also keeping an eye on the Ministry of Education because on Halloween is a deadline for the Chilliwack School Board to improve themselves. And part of that was a direct implication of how the school board works. Are they functioning for students, or is it a lot of infighting and bickering? We know the history, especially with with Barry Neufeld and his views on Soji and rainbow crosswalks and the like. But also Daryl Ferguson and Heather Moss, they have been fairly outspoken themselves. A lot of people say that the Chilliwack School Board is dysfunctional. Well, a number of things could happen, one of which is absolutely nothing. Or the other extreme is the board is fired, although this time next year we go through yet another election for not only a school board, but for mayors, as well as city councils, not just in Chilliwack or Abbotsford, but the entire province. So we're going to see how this plays out. We really don't know what to expect. If there's something we should know about, as always, FVN@shaw.ca. Also, are you interested in helping out independent media like us? We are not owned by major conglomerates or corporations. You might have heard all the stuff that's happening with Rogers right now. I worked for them once. But we are looking for someone to help us with sales as well as reporting. And not just in Chilliwack, Abbotsford as well. Are you interested? Let us know. FVN@shaw.ca. FVN@shaw.ca. A little bit of rain. We are expecting sun later in the week. Have a great day. Don Lane, Fraser Valley News.